I'm currently biking on the island of Don Det in Laos with a couple of Swedish fellas. Water buffaloes. Damn. Suspension bridge over there. We've made it to the waterfall. I think we should. To the bridge. Should have rented a kayak and taken it here. We're trying to see if the bridge is open. It looks closed.
Yeah, there's a waterfall. Yeah.
Yeah, waterfall there, waterfall there, waterfall there. No bridge. Sawadee.
Hello.
Where is good for swimming?
Huh?
That way? Like right there? Okay.
There.
It's not dangerous up there? Okay. Thank you. Do not swim. Danger. But she told us to swim here. It's a nice pool.
Yeah.
Where is he going?
He's going somewhere.
Somewhere. Sawadee. Is it good to swim here? Swimming? Not good for swimming? Yeah, say hi. Laos.
Laos.
Yeah.
Mudahkan.
I don't think the question got through. I like these little arches and like shade stuff they got going on. What a bamboo. This is very weird looking. It's more like a desert than a beach.
Yeah.
This rocks. Wild too. It's like blue. Reflecting. You got cooked. Gonna go in. Very nice. Let's go, Gustav. My bike is moaning for help. Caught more buffalo or cows or something. What are those? Just cows? Bighorn cows? Fine dining on the Mekong River. High five. Another one. Ah. Hello. Hello. I can't give you a high five. Look at that. Very nice little kids. Everyone wants to say hi. Get a high five. Hello, Sawadee.
like comment and subscribe ขอบใจหลายๆเด้อ